Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on lockdown mode on your iPhone. Lockdown mode is a powerful security feature designed to give your iPhone extra protection against advanced threats and suspicious activity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Once you are inside, scroll all the way down until you find Lockdown Mode and tap on it. Here, you'll see information about how lockdown mode works and what features may be limited when it is enabled. To continue, simply tap on Turn on Lockdown Mode. After that, tap Turn on and Restart. Your iPhone will restart automatically, and once your phone turns back on, Lockdown Mode will be enabled. This feature adds extra security protections to your device, which can help keep your personal data safer. And that's basically it. That's how you can enable Lockdown Mode on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.